headed out, and man, bunch of traffic, detoured, got on the parkway, get to Home Depot, and I got my lattice 2 feet by 8 feet, and I got a pot for the lemon tree, bigger, and I needed 2 by 2 by 8s. And let me tell you, I'm going to be building the warpiest greenhouse, caged net house ever. Home Depot should be ashamed of some of the stuff that they stock on their shelves, especially when they got leftover wood. Why have the wood on the shelf left over? Who's going to buy it at full retail price? Not me. So I'm heading over to Lowe's, another store, and I bet you they're going to have it because I didn't go there first. Think I gotta pop my trunk to get my list, and I totally forgot how many pieces I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I need like 14 pieces. That's more than enough I'm gonna be using it for. I'll check my list if it's in the car, and if not, I know 12 is what I gotta get. 14 is the extra. Look at all this stuff I gotta go around just to get here to get some 2 by 2 by 8s. Off I go once I get the pieces I need, that my list is gone. With your gut, Fish, the next time you go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot. Next time you say go to Home Depot, go to Lowe's. And that's what happened. I got my wood. 99% was good. I got some outdoor, algae mildew remover, Clorox extra strength, which I use every year, and silicone. So I'm going to be putting up a lot of things, doing a lot of things, a lot of preparation, a lot. I use leftover for this to make my sides go up. I still need to get a number of things. It's much better than having it low like so. So now I got my stakes up there. You can see my solar panel, my lighting. I'm going to put another one up here. I'm going to have like a court for lights all over the place. I'm going to have a nice bright backyard. So I am going to fix that fence. I'll probably take that, put it somewhere else, and put the new one there, have it all nice and cleaned up. And I got to continue on. I'm not sure if I'm going to do 2 55-inch poles. It'll give me a design, and that's what I want to do. So I'll take that one down and put another pole, take this one down and put another pole up. And I just stop because of the drizzle, the rain, constant, all day. I got a lot of cleaning up to do, a lot of preparing to do. Something got into this house here, which I am going to be fencing, netting, doing a nice job. And I am going to be building here a new net cage. And that's what all that wood that I got there, over there, all prepared, ready to do my work. I see you on other videos. Catch you later. Enjoy.